to our channel. Today's video is all about how to quickly restart your Fitbit Versa. You may want to consider restarting your Fitbit Versa if you think that your Versa is quite slow, if you slide around the menu and it's very slow and laggy, or just if you haven't restarted your watch in a while, then maybe you should consider restarting your watch, because if you do so, it is gonna free up some read-only memory on the Fitbit Versa. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you go, you find in the menu the setting. Once you find the setting, you hit on setting. You just scroll all the way down to the bottom. On the about section, you again go all the way down and you will see the option of shutdown, and you hit yes, and it's gonna shut down. I have done a detailed video about the controls on the Fitbit Versa. I'm gonna link it at the end of this video. That might be helpful. Now, to restart the Fitbit Versa, all you gotta do is long press the left hand side button and the logo will turn up. Now, depending on the type of storage you have, I mean, if you have a lot of videos and app installed, it may take a while to get it started, but again, it's relative. Sometimes it gets restarted very fast, but that's how you do this. All right, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please leave a thumbs up if you really found this video helpful. Make sure you leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I have done a lot of videos about Fitbit Versa and some issues, how to fix them on Fitbit Versa, so make sure you check my playlist out. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. We do a lot of videos about cooking delicious recipes, reviews for various devices, and tutorials for various designing softwares. So there you go, it started. If you are wondering to get this cool watch face, I have also done a video about this watch face, and I'm gonna link it at the end. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. You have a good one.